Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about mustard greens, and I have a list of specific foods and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with mustard greens. So if you're looking for some new, very specific ideas to use with mustard greens, hopefully this will help you out. Combine mustard greens with capers and lemon, or mustard greens with chilies, cumin, garlic, olive oil, and vinegar. Mustard greens with cider vinegar, molasses, and peanuts. Mustard greens with garlic, ginger, and soy sauce. Mustard greens with garlic and peanuts. Mustard greens with lemon juice, olive oil, and walnuts. Mustard greens with onions and tomatoes. Or mustard greens with scallions, sesame oil, and tamari. I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.